Alright, SK Gang, I'm at Big Bro house right now. I'm about to wash the car uh, for the first time with the pressure washer. Y'all saw me wash it before, but this time I'm going to take my time and try to do it right. And try to put these scripts on the car so that way if I open the door, somebody open the door, I won't bam and put dents in people's car and scratch up the paint. But I'm going to hit y'all back up later. I'm going to set this camera up. I'm going to do the tires first after I finish vacuuming that and putting the rugs down and stuff, so that way Tobias won't get these seats dirty. As you can see, I cleaned them up pretty good. He already done got caught with his foot in the chair. The seat's looking good. So I'm going to hit y'all back up, hang out, watch the show. Alright, SK Gang, it's a little loud out this way. Try to talk as loud as I can, unbox this stuff that y'all can see. Got my little razor here. No Tobias will be mad at me that I use this without me. We'll do some more stuff together. Another phone camera. Now they said they lost this. No, they said they lost the other one. I got that one, but I bought this one and they sent it. So and they refunded me my money. Now I think this is the breast set right here. So I'm gonna see how this goes. Yeah, this is the breast set. So I'm gonna take it out right now. Now this is a pretty good set. I'm not gonna be using these as much. I'm just gonna be using the big boy, the face rim brush mostly. Now that's supposed to be some wonderful stuff with the phone camera. So what I'll do is I'll definitely use this today, as y'all can see. I know I got the camera backwards, but this is the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. So I'll be using this today pretty good. But I tested out the other phone candle last night. I think I'm gonna use this one today because I want to open it up and see how it works. But as you can see, I got this phone candle and brushes candle. I'm just gonna use the one I got now. But this was the one that was lost in the mail, and they asked me that I want my refund back, and I told them, yeah, they sent it back, but then they said it still might come, so just keep it. So I'm gonna keep that. So, got all of this out of the way. This is already open, so I ain't really got to do much with this. As y'all can see, I got the black car mat that I'm gonna put in. These going in immediately after I vacuum out the car. Motor Trend car mats for the Grand Marquis. So this is the big one that goes in the back across the seats. If I gotta cut anywhere, I cut. That's why they have these little lines in it, so that, but it's supposed to be a perfect fit. But I'm gonna throw them in after I finish vacuuming out the car. Let y'all see me do a little bit of that too. I'm about to move these. And the last box, car seat covers. Open it from the top. Y'all go subscribe to Unbox Therapy, man. It's really like therapy to watch them do this thing. Give a shout out to a lot of the YouTubers that I watch. These are the current seat covers. I can put them on now, but I'm a vacuum person. Put these on. The car wash gonna be the last thing that I do. I got the instructions here. It's self-explanatory, but I'm still using it for the back seat. I want to make sure I get back seat. And that's where all the dirty stuff go down. So all of this stuff will be used to put up before I actually wash the car. I'm a vacuum first. I got my little vacuum here, my little doohickey. It's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hit y'all up a little bit later. I'm gonna show y'all how dirty the car is in the inside, so that way y'all can get it before and after. So y'all bear with me. Let me flip y'all around. Show y'all the inside of the Merc. Eat in here, man. Got bugs in my car. We'll sneak some snacks in here and eat. But y'all see the floors are pretty dirty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this seat up. Definitely that front seat right there. As y'all can see, all of that nice dirt. Hold on, y'all. See all of that dirt down there? All around here. All of the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna get this right for y'all. Stay tuned. All right, SK gang. I finished up the back. My vacuum ain't so super powerful that it can get that white stuff right there. But I'm about to lay down the mats. I gotta hit to lay down the mats again, and the carpet, and then put down the mats. I'm not sure if this black mat gonna fit across perfectly, but I'm gonna try, and if it don't, I'm gonna cut it. you guys can see, it don't fit perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my razor and I'm gonna go around it and cut it out so it can fit perfect. So y'all stay tuned.